Hi, my name is Jesse with Jesse Griffith Repairs. I'm the father of two beautiful little children and the husband of one beautiful lady. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about Jesse Griffith Repairs. At about the age of 10, I decided that I wanted to be a mechanic. And in 2007, I opened my shop, and we are located in Elk City, Oklahoma. A little bit about what we do here. We are launching a brand new program for us. We're offering an oil change package for a year. So you may say to yourself, a big deal, oil changes for a year. Why should I do oil changes at Jesse Griffith Repairs? I'd love the privilege to answer that question for you. You should do oil changes with us because we do more than just an oil change. We do a safety inspection on your car. As a dad, as a husband, it's important to me that my vehicles, when they leave the house, that they're reliable, that they're safe, that the tires are in good shape, that the brakes are working, that that vehicle's going to start, that the air conditioner is going to work, that the heater's going to work, whatever the condition may be. And so, as a dad and as a husband, I appeal to you out there that have children and have loved ones and relatives, that you take care of your second largest investment, your vehicle. Because that is the vehicle that gets your children to their ball games, to school, to church, to work, whatever the case is. We will do a safety inspection. We will check the tires. We will check the battery. We will check the coolant levels. We will even check and see if the air conditioner is working. Why would I come to Jesse Griffith Repairs for a safety inspection then? Because we are passionate. We care about you and your family. Have you ever been stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire? I get it, it's scary. I've been there before. And we want the opportunity to try to prevent you from going in that scary situation. Not only is it scary, but it's dangerous to be on the side of the road. Have you ever went out to work and to go to work and your car wouldn't start because the battery was dead? I've been there. It creates so much stress for your day. We want to create you as safe of a vehicle as we can and create as many days after this to be as stress-free as possible. We care for you, we care for your family. We treat each vehicle as if it's our own families. Come see us at Jesse Griffith Repairs.